right, here is a little thing we have been cooking on with the Contoso demo tool. I'm in a company here with no analytics demo data, and if I open Contoso demo tool, you will notice that there is a new kit on the block, Analytics. So this is adding some new documents if you need to demo reporting or Power BI. Okay, so without this installed, I can just search for quotes, sales quotes, and you can see I have 2 quotes. Now, let me show you what happens if you're in a company where you have enabled or where you have ran the analytics part of the demo tool. So let me switch over to that. So this is a company called All Demo Data. So if I go here and search for sales quotes, you will notice that we now have a lot more quotes, like 18. So this is what that module does. It adds new document types, and you can watch the Business Central Launch Edition video to learn more in a couple of weeks. This should land in Business Central in 27.1-ish. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.